Developing sound solutions for environmental challenges requires quality data and the ability to analyze complex systems quickly and accurately. Collecting and analyzing data from environmental and infrastructure sites is slow and costly work. On-the-ground field efforts only cover a fraction of sites, and data analysis is limited by computing power. We need better data to solve tomorrow's challenges today, while focusing your resources on the project itself. Skywave at CDM Smith changes the way environmental sites are analyzed by leveraging digital data, remote sensing, automation, and machine learning. Our multidisciplinary team develops detailed plans to collect, store, and analyze your data. You'll spend less time and money in the field and more time taking action based on quality data sets. We've combined the latest sensors with machine learning, building models to solve complex challenges. With Skywave, you can reduce risk and uncertainty and move forward on your project with confidence. Our patent-pending digital data collection methods allow us to collect more data faster than ever before. And machine learning models become more accurate with the more robust ground truthing data. With Skywave, answers to your site questions are possible faster and more accurately than ever before. Our team has combined tried and true methods, backed by the latest science, with forward-thinking technology, from coastal resilience and biodiversity monitoring to carbon capture and infrastructure development. There isn't an environmental site that Skywave can't handle. At the federal, state, and county level, our team is helping organizations to understand and track project progress in close detail. Let's transform your data into decisions with Skywave at CDM Smith.